how to fix your videos not playing on your Android device. So there are several steps that you can take to fix this issue. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ins- Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent videos from loading. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. On the number second, you can clear the cache of the video app or browser. For the app like YouTube, Netflix, etc., go through your setting, tap on the app here and go for your manage app and search for the YouTube. Once you have searched for the YouTube here, you have to navigate to the clear data option and go for the clear cache, which also solve the minor glitches. Also ensure that your app that you are using for the playing your videos is up to date. You have to go for your Play Store and search for the YouTube here. Once you have searched for the YouTube, if there is any update available, then you have to install the latest version. Also, you can check for the software update. Navigate to your setting, go for your About phone, and if there is any software available or update available here, and you can just download it. So you can just go for the software update and you can download the latest software update on your device. So sometimes simple restarting your device can also fix the many issues. So including the video playback problem, you have to reboot or restart your device. Also, you can disable the battery saver or power mode. You have to just go for that and you have to just disable that. If none of this ever fix work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app that you are using to play the videos. By following this step, you should be able to resolve your problem and get your videos playing again on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.